Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram search history. So let's dive in. The first step, open your Instagram. The next step, there is a profile of your Instagram. The next step, click on the search menu button. Click on the search menu button. And this is it. Double click on it, and this is it. So these are the search menu button that I have. So if I want to delete or clear, just click on see all, and you can click on clear all. And you want to clear now, clear all, and this is it. I have cleared all my search history. Very simple. So guys, subscribe, like, and comment if you found this video helpful. Thank you guys.